So you've put in all this work to create a massive, powerful Instagram account. The next question is how you're actually going to profit from this and make money. Of course, the most obvious method that will occur to the majority of internet marketers is simply to have your own product or service to sell and to promote this via your Instagram. If you have a website where you sell products or services, you can simply mention in your photos, videos, and comments that people can check out your amazing offers over at your page. This works particularly well if you run discounts and include special offers through your channel. Likewise, you can feature the products in your pictures and videos. Make sure that you offer value a lot of the time without promoting anything, and then when you do come to promote your products, you will find that you have a good response. To get this to work effectively, you need to align those value propositions. If you have a book on how to get fit, it will sell much better when people realize that it contains the secrets you followed to get the incredible body that you have, and that it will enable them to enjoy the incredible workouts that you've been showcasing on your channel for so long. Make sure to link your Instagram profile to your website and to tie the brand in closely. This way, people can discover you and become a fan on Instagram and then know where to go in order to find more of what you have to offer. Another way to make money on Instagram, though, and one that is perhaps the most exciting for many people, is to find sponsors. Finding sponsors on Instagram means that brands will pay you to post pictures of you wearing their clothes or drinking their protein shakes or working on their computers. You can get free stuff this way, as well as some big amounts of money. So, how do you find these sponsors? Well, one way is to go and check out sites that are designed to pair creators with sponsors. You can find this by heading over to revfluence.com or famebit.com, and there are many more sites just like this. That's not how you land the really big sponsors, though. To get those, you simply wait for them to contact you, and once you get to a certain size, you can rest assured that that's going to happen. To improve your chances, try to be present on more than one form of social media. Having a YouTube channel as well as an Instagram account will greatly boost your chances, for example. Likewise, so too will having a Twitter account. Having lots of followers is also essential, and the more followers you have, the more you can charge. On top of all this, though, you should also make sure that your brand is consistent, that you have a consistent message, and you promote a positive message. You need to look professional and avoid slander or posting anything in poor taste. You need to represent the kind of brand that big companies are going to want to associate with.